The compound W, the cyclopentanol, alcohol contains OH bond. Alcohols form strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding and therefore highest boiling point is there. In compound Z, piperidine, the secondary amine, contains NH bond, can also form the hydrogen bonding. But nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, so hydrogen bonding is weaker than alcohol. Hence, alcohol is greater than secondary amine. The compound X, tetrahydropyran, ether, no OH bond is there, so cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, only dipole-dipole interaction is there. Therefore, lower boiling point than alcohol and secondary amine. And in compound Y, N-methyl pyrrolidine, the tertiary amine, no NH bond is there, cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, only weak dipole interaction is there, and also branching around, nitrogen reduces intermolecular attraction. Thus, the lowest boiling point is there. So, final order is the W is less than Z is less than X is less than Y. So, option D is correct. In question second, increasing order of acidic strength. Acidity depends on stability of the conjugate base. More electron withdrawing carbonyl groups stabilize the enolate ion and increase the acidity. In compound second, only one carbonyl present and alpha hydrogen is least acidic. Hence, it's weakest acid. In compound third, contains one ketone and one oxygen atom in ring. So, ring oxygen exerts minus I effect. Conjugate base becomes slightly more stable and the acidity increases. So, the compound third is greater than compound second. And in compound 1,3-diketone system, the alpha hydrogen lies between two carbonyl groups. So, after removal of H plus negative charge delocalized over the both carbonyls, very stable enolate. So, therefore, compound first is greater than compound third. Now, in compound fourth, two ketone groups are there, one ester group is there. So, the alpha hydrogen experiences stabilization by multiple carbonyl groups. So, maximum resonance stabilization is there, hence it is most acidic. So, the final order of the compound is the second compound is less than third compound is less than first compound is less than fourth compound. So, option D is correct. If you found these juicy important questions helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sampada's Learning Hub.